We're going to look now at an alphabet reviewer for the first 9 letters of the alphabet in a tic-tac-toe game. It's set up as true and false.
See how well you know the alphabet. Click on a space that you want to win. If you answer the question right, you win that space. Win 3 in a row, and then try to win the whole board. You can retry the questions you got wrong. This is a review of the first 9 letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. These questions are true and false. That means you have to decide if the question is right or wrong.
I wasn't crazy about the setup about the true and false. I don't think it's developmentally appropriate for kindergartners. It is something you need to know at some point. I wanted to have it set up differently, but the interface for the tic-tac-toe was set up that way. And I just thought the students would have so much fun with it and really remember it as a learning object and a learning tool that it was just too good to pass up. So let's give it a go.
This letter says C. Is this true or false? Remember, true means right, false means wrong.
And because of my concern, I added in my audio and my text the definition of true and false because they are very young learners. And also I want to point out that when we're doing an assessment or a study guide online about letters, when we ask our questions, we have to make sure to not give it away. So this one says, this letter says C. This letter, meaning up here, the A. This letter says C, S-E-E. If I put in the letter C, they can see, obviously, that A and C don't look the same. So we don't want to give it away, so we have to be a little bit more creative when we're using these online things. And so I've gotten that one right. Let's try the middle here.
This letter says F. True or false? Remember, true means right, false means wrong.
Let's go ahead and mark this one wrong, get it wrong, and see what we do here. Okay, so it actually physically marks it. Now later on, after I've won 3 in a row, I can try, when I go for the blackout, I can retry that one, which I thought was really, really good.
This letter sounds like A. True or false? Remember, true. This letter sounds like H. Is this true or false?
And I'm just going to cruise through them here so we can see what it looks like when we go to the blackout mode, which is the whole board. And a little message will pop up. Congratulations, you got 3 in a row. Do you want to try blackout? If you click no, it will just end the game. I did not find a way to take that off there because I want my students to complete all of the letters. So my instruction to them at that point would be to always click yes.
This letter says B. True or false?
And we'll retry the one we got wrong.
This letter says F. True or false? Remember, this letter sounds like H. This letter says B. True or false? Remember, true means right, false means wrong. This letter says D. True or false?
And I did put some picture clues on there. These are the study guides. And I just thought
this letter sounds like
pictures
I.
were really good.
True or false? Remember, true means right, false means wrong.
Again, if you couldn't hear me, I liked the inclusion of the pictures. I just felt that it added a lot, and they're interactive as well in that you can blow them up to get a better look at them. And come on, who would want to eat that ice cream cone? It looks delicious. So let's go ahead and finish our game. Congratulations, you won blackout. Excuse me. And again, that is the end of it. It kind of drops you off right there. I would like to see this a little more interactive at the end, maybe put in a summary, but again, that was not an option. But so a lot of limitations with this one, but I just thought that the students would really get a lot from it and remember it because they had fun doing it. So that's why I wanted to make sure I did one.